Down in the prison, down in my house. Now, that's the nation that house. Now, hey. You said love the juggling. You said love the hustling. You said don't like the scuffling. You then can't take shuffling. How, hey. If there's a rat in your mind, make sure you use the biggest gun that from the front. How, hey. Johnny me boy. Let the blessings from the Father grow in me until you are. Oh, hey. I'm so sensitive, that I told ya.
I know they don't like it.
I'm so sensitive, that I told ya. Oh, hey. I'm so sensitive, that I told ya. Oh, gotta use them while some weed, so we can have a better breed. How, hey.
Man, tell John Jones, you know. All the same. I plant a little tree, my garden. I plant a little tree in my garden. Water it in the morning, after 6 months, I tell you, come get some fruit. We gotta do it, I'm a do it. The most people is in a challenge. We lick it in a reason now. We lick it in a paper. Sometimes in a construct. Tell me how to do it, man. I plant a little tree in my backyard. Water it, take care of it, make sure. And after 6 months, I tell you, get the fruit. Put it on the swivel. Remove the seed and leave it down in my eyes and leave. Tree cleaner, don't mix it, don't take no book. With the root, a little weeds in the morning, sometime it is in the evening. One little weed from morning, sometimes in the evening. Come down this, good for my meditation, good for my mental. Put me at ease,
TD, I'm a joker. He's a real ganja smoker. On a chalice today. Keep those bad vibes away. MC Treble, I'm a joker. I'm a real ganja smoker. On a chalice today. Keep those bad vibes away. You know we tell them right, right? Give me high grade marijuana with me. Give me the space. High grade marijuana with the best. Give me the weed. Make for me, and then we proceed. Give me the space. High grade Brighton. I need it in my body. I need it in my brain. A real sexy and they make it flow through my skin. Penetrate my heavens, call out your name. Yeah, don't let me explain.